So, hell, hi everyone, good morning. Hi everyone, good morning. So, guys, this is my 25th day of English speaking challenge. So, today I don't know what to speak, but I will definitely speak something. So, keep watching this video till the end and don't go anywhere and tighten your seat belt also. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Let's jump into the video. So I want to talk about yesterday that what actually happened. I want to talk about yesterday that what actually happened to me. So I want to explain that. Okay. So listen to this carefully. Okay. Listen to this carefully. Okay. So this is actually there is a incident that occurred. There is a incident that occurred with me in the office. So I was with Gulam Bhaiya, and he was sitting on the sofa, and I was sitting at the chair, means where the counter is. Okay, so over there I was sitting and he was sitting on the sofa, and we guys are very friendly with each other. We guys are very friendly with each other, means I used to respect him and he also respects me, I know. But but if but when the when you will get the assignment, when you'll get this when you get this and when you get the assignment of doing something, when you get the assignment of something, then you have to complete it. Okay, and you have to be dedicated, with the assignment. Okay, means don't use your brain extra over there, don't use your mind extra, don't use your brain extra over there. Okay, means you have to complete the task anyhow somehow. Okay, so he has to tell that don't use your mind over here. Okay, whatever I tell you to do, do it, okay, don't waste your time, don't waste your time. So I told him, okay, I will do everything whatever you want, I will do everything whatever you want. i have to do I have to do only according to you, I have to do only according to you. Okay, so he told me that actually one of my video has been okay by Sadabia, and he told and he sent me a voice message, and he was telling that this video is okay, but if I talk about the anti video, then this video is quite old for 1 year. This video is quite old for 1 year. So I don't think so that because of this anti video we will get the more reach in our channel. I don't think so. But if you want, then publish it. Okay, then publish it. Okay, and if you want, then you can post it, you can publish it. Okay, so I was when I listened to the voice message, then I was thinking about then I was unable to make the decision. Means I was thinking over and over again that I should post this video or not. But he clearly told me in the voice message that you can post it, you can upload it. Okay, if you want, you can upload it. Okay, but this video is not that good. Okay, so I could not. So there was my time to upload at 6 o'clock. There was my time to upload at 6 o'clock, but I could not do that. And because of this, the manager fired over me. He really got over me. He really got angry, over me, and I did not like this at all. Means at that time I wanted to react. But I did not do that. I just control myself. And I told him that I made a mistake, so I'm very sorry about this, and I accept I accept my mistake. So in the next time I will never repeat this. Okay, Okay, so give me a just a small chance. and thereafter I will never give you any complaint. I will never give you any complaint. Okay. So after that, he told me, he was again and again, he was again and again humiliating me. He was again and again, he was mocking me. He was laughing at me. He was mocking me. He was saying that you are a very careless person. You are a very careless guy. You don't do and you don't know how to do the things. You don't know how to do the things. You are not a you are not a quick decision. You are not a quick decision maker. You are not a quick decision maker. So sometimes be quick here. Sometimes be quick here. Don't be lazy. Don't be so lazy. Don't be so lazy here. Okay. This is the workplace. This is the office. Okay. So you have to do. You have to be active here. This is not your home. This is not your house. Okay. So don't use your mind. Don't use your mind. Okay. Don't use your mind in the extra. Don't use your mind extra. Okay. Don't use your mind extra. Okay. So after listening to this, I got very angry, but I did not react. I think I did not react. I'm very thankful to my emotions. Right now I'm so grateful to my emotion, that I know that how to control over how to control your I know how to control myself in the situation. When the situation gets worst, when the situation gets when the situation gets bad, when the situation gets awkward, then don't react that time. Means try to control yourself at the time. Yes. So guys, I have to tell you that whenever you feel angry, then never react. Otherwise, something can be happened very wrong. Something can be happened very wrong. So in that situation, never react. Okay. Never react. And this way you can control yourself. You can control your emotion. Yes. Means you have to talk to yourself that time, that whatever I want to do, is it necessary, is it significant to do? And there is a voice, and there's a sound, there's a voice that would come from your inside, and it will tell you that no, don't. Okay. So guys, try to control yourself, try to control your emotion, yes. So sometimes I also feel angry, I also feel angry, but I don't do this because I know how to handle myself. Yes. It's up to the situation that what I do. It's up to the situation that what I do. It is up to the situation that what I do. Yes. If the situation is very bad, if the situation is too worst, then I will have to react. Yes. Not every time I like being Gandhiji. Okay. Not every time I like being Gandhiji. Sometimes I like being Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes. So this is my mindset says to me. Means everybody has a dark reality. Everybody has a dark side. Everybody has a dark side of something. Everybody has a dark side. Yes. Means in a way you should be good, or in a way you should be bad. Both these things you have to develop into you. Yes. Means you are means I mean to say that if you are in a fight, if there are four persons, and he is trying to fight with you, and he is fighting with you, then what will you do? Will you just keep quiet? And will you just keep your hand like this, and you will never go to do anything, or you will never go to do anything? No. Sometimes take actions. Try to stand. Take a stand for yourself. Never be silent all the time. Sometimes sometimes taking action is very important. Yes. So guys, I have to tell you just one thing, that sometimes be sometimes sometimes be a fighter, okay. So this is all about, so guys, this is all about today. I'll see you at the same time at the same place. Until you, take care and stay updated with me, and comment me if you like this video. So bye, take care.